Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to discuss about pharmacology 2 more questions and answer. First question, what is clinical trials? Clinical trials are a type of research that means evaluates the effect of new drugs on human healthy volunteers. Clinical trials can be done by 4 phases: phase 1, phase 2, phase 3 and phase 4. What is drug antagonism? Drug antagonism is an interaction between two or more drugs that have opposite effects on the body. Drug antagonism may block or reduce the effectiveness of one or more of the active drugs. Generally, drug antagonism drugs are used to reduce the toxic effect of the agonist. What is tachyphylaxis? Tachyphylaxis is a medical term describing an acute sudden decrease in response to a drug after its administration, that is, a rapid and short-term onset of drug tolerance. It can occur after an initial dose or after a series of small doses. Increasing dose of drug may be able to restore the original response. Tachyphylaxis means drug tolerance occurred after initial dose or after a series of small doses. Define bioavailability. In pharmacology, bioavailability is a subcategory of absorption and is the fraction of an administered drug that reaches the systemic circulation. When a medication is administered intravenously, its bioavailability is 100%. Bioavailability means the rate and extent of drugs available in the systemic circulation for pharmacological activity. What is teratogenicity? A teratogen is an agent that can disturb the development of embryo or fetus. Teratogens halt the pregnancy or produce a congenital malformation, that means birth defect. Some of the classes of teratogens include radiation, maternal infections, chemicals and drugs. Teratogenicity means toxic effect occur in the embryo and fetus while taking up teratogens during pregnancy. It leads to congenital malformation, that means birth defect. What is phototoxicity? A condition in which the skin or eyes become very sensitive to sunlight or other forms of light. It can be caused by taking certain drugs or rubbing certain essential oil or other topical agents into the skin. Phototoxicity causes sunburn and blisters and other skin and soft infections. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly subscribe and share. We will meet again.